What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get loan on Moniepoint. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly get a loan here on Moniepoint. Well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now the thing with Moniepoint here, if you're looking for a way to get a loan, well, it's kind of different with Moniepoint here. So it's not directly getting a loan here. It's more of like getting a cash advance. So what am I actually talking about? So in the main app here, if you log in into your account and go to the very bottom here, you have home, cards, savings, and salary. So if you choose the salary option at the bottom right here, you should see this page here. Now, what does the salary page here? So the salary page or tab here actually allows you to get paid before the payday itself. So you can actually get 100% of your earned salary with no interest rate, and in this case there are some minimal charges. So it's not exactly getting a loan here, it's more of like getting a cash advance through Moniepoint. So if you want to join their program here, you can go and just click on the join waitlist here, and they will notify you if the program is now available in your area or in your account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.